One night, when my eyes beheld an eerie sight, for my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash. But my love Natari in the castle east, to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to catch a jolt from my
All right, let's go ahead and get started. Today we are doing Chapter 5, Lesson 2, which is sequences. Students will be able to describe the relationships and extend the terms and arithmetic sequences. The Florida State Standard is 7th grade, Expressions and Equations 1.2. Make sure to write that down as well. Make sure to pause this video at any time if you need to slow it down, and make sure to write down everything that is typed or written on these pages. Now, this is in your book, so I'm not going to make you write that down, but I am going to read it to you. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers. Each number in a sequence is called a term. And in arithmetic sequence, each term is found by adding the same number to the previous term. So continue each sequence. So 1, to get to 3, we need to add 2. To get to 5 from 3, we add 2. To get to 7 from 5, we add 2. So to get from 7 to this next number, we need to add 2. 7 plus 2 gives us 9. So that is the next number in that sequence. Make sure to write this part down. Okay, so to describe the relationship between the terms in the arithmetic sequence, then write the next 3 terms in that sequence. Okay, the way I like writing this down is using a table. This will become more handy to you in 7th and definitely in 8th grade. Our first term is 0. Our second term is 9. Our third term is 18. And our fourth term is 27. So what's happening with each of these terms is we are adding 9. Okay, so it wants us to write the next 3 terms. So the term 5, we need to add 9 to 27. So 27 plus 9 is going to give us 36. In the 6th term, we are going to add 9 to 36, and that is going to give us 45. So, and it wants another term. Just kidding. Number 7, our 7th term, we need to add 9 to 45, and that is going to give us 54. Okay? So our next 3 terms are 36, 45, and 54. Okay, so again, I'm going to do the same here where I make my table. That was an awful table. Our first term is 4. Our second term is 9. Our third term is 14. Our fourth term, is 19. Okay, and what we are doing is here we are adding 5. To get from 9 to 14, we add 5. To get from 14 to 19, we add 5. To get from 19 to our next term, we're going to add 5. So 19 plus 5 gives me 24. To get to our next term, we're going to add 5 again. And 24 plus 5 gives me 29. And to get to our last term, we're going to add 5 again. And 29 plus 5 gives me 34. So my next 3 terms are 29 and 34. Okay, again, I'm going to make a table here. First term is 19. Second term is 31. Third term is 43. And fourth term is 55. So to get from 19 to 31, we are adding 12. To get from 31 to 43, we add 12. To get from 43 to 55, we add 12. Now, if you don't know how to get from 19 to 31, just count with your fingers. Or you can subtract 31 minus 19, and that'll give you how much you add to 19 to get 31. 43 minus 31 would give you 12. And 55 minus 43 should give you 12 as well. So then we add 55 plus 12, and we get 67. And that's our fifth term. Then we want to add 12 again to 67, and that gives us 79. And then adding 12 again to that, and that gives us 91. So our next three terms in this sequence is 67, 79, and 91. Okay? That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow.